Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Luxe. I've unboxed a couple of Fitbits on my channel in the past because I do really love them. It was time to get a new one and I'm really excited about this one because it's different to other Fitbits. It kind of looks like jewellery. I just thought I'd do a little unboxing in case you're looking to purchase and you wanted to see what it looks like or what comes in the box and how it looks like when you're wearing it. So this does come with a normal band. It also includes the Gorjana jewellery bracelet. That's not what you call it. It's called what is it called? Okay, it says soft gold stainless steel bracelet and peony classic band. There you go. So it is a gold stainless steel band and it looks a lot like jewellery. It's very pretty. And I know that when I'm purchasing things like this, I do watch videos prior to buying, so I thought this video might be useful. I do normally do makeup, beauty and hair videos, so if you like that kind of thing, please subscribe. And also, if you want to see further updates on the Fitbit, I will be posting shorts and videos. This is what the box looks like. It's very cute. I did actually get this from Boots and I love the fact that it actually looks like jewellery. I think that's really nice. I do wear a suit day to day, so I thought this would look really nice with that and look quite classy. I am a big fan of Fitbit. I have tried a Apple Watch in the past and I still have it somewhere, but I did think the battery life on the Fitbit is a lot better, and for what I wanted to use it for, this does everything. Inside the box, you'll see it's got a couple of bands in there. We're just going to take everything out and show you what's inside. I did accidentally destroy the entire box, but there's the Fitbit and it just comes displayed with the peony, so it's a soft pink or lilac lavender band, and then as you'll see, the actual Fitbit is gold, which is so cute. I really like the look of this one. I did have a Fitbit Inspire before and I loved the way it was so tiny and it feels really nice on smaller wrists, so I really wanted something that was lightweight again. I did actually try the Versa 2, I think it was called, and that's really big, like it's bigger than my wrist. Inside you get the quick start guide. On the box it says power and style. The actual battery life for a Fitbit is normally about 6 days, which is incredible, and this box actually comes with 6 months premium. In the power side you've got the charger, and this is what that looks like. You just magnetise the watch to this and then obviously you plug this into an actual plug. From my experience as well with past Fitbits, they do charge really quickly and they hold the battery very well. I'm assuming the style side is going to have the band in it. Ooh! That's heavy. That's really weighty. Wow. So this is what the band looks like. I have seen a couple of videos where you can adjust the strap. I am actually going to put this band on it, so we'll show you what they look like with both of them. And then with the Fitbit, you do actually get another size strap, so I'll need the small one I think, but they do put another size in there, which I think is really nice. And then this is what the gold band looks like. It feels very weighty. And this is what the band looks like. So you've got a couple of clips there you can use to adjust the sizing, and I think this is absolutely stunning. I wear a dress watch most days, but I feel like this would look no different. It's just stunning. I actually feel like this is really pretty and you definitely could wear this with sort of going out outfits. I mean, I always used to wear my Fitbit with the normal strap for going out anyway, but I think this is so pretty. Onto the actual Fitbit Luxe. So this is going to come out because I want to look at it. Oh, it's so cute. I actually love the gold and the pink together. That's beautiful. And it's really lightweight. What I love about the Fitbits, they're always very lightweight and you can almost feel like you've not got them on. And I love that brushed gold colour. Everything's just beautiful. This is the prettiest fitness and wellness tracker I've ever seen. We are going to take this off. How do I take this off? It's so shiny. Wow. Again, very lightweight. So these are what the coloured bands look like next to each other. You can see the gold does look really nice with the peony band. And then obviously it looked lovely with the gold strap too. I'm just going to charge this a little bit and then I'll come back. I'm back and I've popped a little bit of charge in it. It actually had charge waiting. You just kind of need to plug it into the wall. But I've got my little iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 and I've got the Fitbit app on it. I am actually swapping to a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra soon, so the Fitbit will obviously work with that as well. On the app it's telling me to connect the devices. And now it's asking for a little pin to pair them. And at the moment it just says pairing on the screen. So I'm just setting up the phone notifications and it's telling me how to do it. So this one doesn't have an action button on it. So if you're used to other Fitbits where you have a little button on the side, this actually doesn't have that. So now it's saying you've got to tap twice. So it's saying swipe up, you view your stats like steps, sleep, heart rate and more. And then it's saying swipe down, access current watch settings and modes. On the screen it's giving me a bit of a tutorial. And obviously the more you play with the watch, the more you get to know it. And I'm pretty familiar with the Fitbit interface anyway, so hopefully this goes well. At the moment it's just syncing with my phone, so I'm going to pop the watch on with the peony strap so you can see what it looks like. This is what the peony strap looks like. I'm going to pop that on my wrist. I really like the way that fits. It's very lightweight and I love the size of the screen. I think it's adorable. And what I love about Fitbits, they're really good for small wrists. So it's quite a subtle band and quite a nice sort of sized screen. It'll do everything you need and I just love the way it looks. It's very cute and aesthetic. I'm going to try the gold strap now. So we're going to take the other one off. I'm actually going to show you how to change the straps on the Fitbit Luxe. This is how you do it. So you turn the watch around and you will see there's a couple of clips on either side of the strap here. If you pull those out, the strap will just release. And then same again, so you pull this little clip and then you just pull and the Fitbit Luxe is released from the straps. This is the stainless steel gold strap. And with the gold one, you make sure the clip is flush like that. And then you push the strap in like this. And then once you've pushed it firmly in, the straps don't come out, so you have to use the same method, so push the little clips. I have taken 2 of the straps out for the bracelet. Just a little update, so I have been wearing the Fitbit Luxe for 1 month now and I've been absolutely loving it. I love the way it's really lightweight, it's small, it's girly, it goes really well with all of my outfits and I've just been really enjoying this Fitbit Luxe. That's what the Fitbit Luxe is like when it's got the gold band on it. I really think it's cute. It's very lightweight and fits really nicely. I will probably change it up with the other bands and maybe have a play about with the sizing. But I think this is really pretty. It looks really nice and I just love the way the Fitbit looks. So yeah, very excited to try this. I also really like the personalisation on it. It has actually got a colour screen, this one, which we didn't see on the previous Fitbits, which is nice. And yeah, I'm just excited to try this out. Let me know if you've tried the Fitbit Luxe and what your opinion was. I will do a future video just when I've had a bit of experience with it. I love Fitbit normally, so I'm really excited to try this one and I love the fact it comes with a jewellery band. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!